And in this video, we're going to discuss about multimodal learning using AutoCloud. Basically, it's a powerful toolkit that simplifies working with complex dataset containing images, text, and more. So first, we going to set up our environment. We're going to use UV tool for faster installations, which is great for handling larger dependencies efficiently. We install AutoCloud's multimodal module for our workflow. To avoid compatibility issues on the platforms like Collab, we can install conflicting libraries such as Torch Audio and Torch Text. Remember, keeping your environment clean is crucial for smooth execution. Next, we download and prepare our dataset. The data is from the pet finder adoption prediction task. We extract the zip file and load the data using pandas. So the dataset includes columns like images, descriptions, and target label, which is adoption speed. So understanding the data is key. So let's inspect the rows associated in our data. So now comes the training our multimodal model using multimodal predictor. So this predictor automatically understands text, images, and other input formats. Here we have set time limit as 120, ensuring that the training process is capped, so making it quick for the demonstration. Basically, AutoCloud takes care of all the pre-processing, feature engineering, and model selection. After training, we evaluate the model on a test dataset using metrics like ROC, AUC. So basically, this steps helps us understand how well our model performs across classes. So the trained model can now predict the labels for new and unseen data as well. For classification tasks, you can even get probabilities for each class. So basically, AutoClone also allows us to extract embeddings, which are vector representation of the input data. This can be useful for downstream tasks or visualizations. One of the standard features of AutoClone is its ability to save and reload models effortlessly. So avoid loading models from unstructured sources as pickle module because it can execute malicious code during unpickling. So that's it about the usage of AutoClone multimodal prediction on image dataset. Next, moving on to usage of multimodal on entity extraction. So it's one of the fascinating application with the usage of multimodal learning named entity recognition NER using AutoClone. So we have to install the required library. After installation, we're going to work with named entity recognition NER dataset where text and images are combined to identify entities like names, places, or other structured data. First, we download the dataset. Once extracted, we load the training and test data using pandas. So the entity annotation columns holds the NER labels. The image column points to image files that complement the text. For simplicity, we only use the first image when multiple images are available. To ensure the image paths are accessible, we expand relative paths to absolute ones using helper function. So this is crucial pre-processing step to ensure all file paths are valid for loading images. And moving on, exploring the data is always essential. So let's see our data set, and then we are going to initialize AutoClone's multimodal predictor for the NER task. So basically, AutoClone automatically identifies the modalities in the data, therefore text, images. So it selects suitable models and combines them for training. It even performs late fusion to enhance predictions by combining outputs from multiple backbones. After training, we evaluate the model's performance using metrics such as recall, precision, and F1 score. So basically, these metrics helps us understand the performance of our model. So So one standard feature of AutoGlow is its ability to load the reload models for further training. This flexibility is useful when you want to refine your model with additional data or adjustments for better performance. So that's all about this video. Thank you. And then moving on to multimodal text. So we're going to install the required libraries, and then we're going to use AutoGlow multimodal for text analysis. Additionally, we install OpenPyXL to handle Excel files. So our data contains information about books such as reviews, ratings, and prices. We load the data using pandas. So basically, it's always a good idea to inspect the data to understand its structure and features before processing. So the data includes the columns like reviews and ratings, which are text-based and need conversion to numeric values. Additionally, we transform prices to a log scale for better model training. For this, we're gonna work with smaller subsample of the data. Basically, pre-processing ensures the data is clean and ready for modeling. We use AutoGlow multimodal predictor to predict book prices. This model seamlessly handles text as well as numeric data. So AutoGlow takes care of data pre-processing, model selection, and hyperparameter optimization, saving us a tons of effort. Once the model is trained, we use it to predict prices for the test data set. Since we transformed prices to a log scale earlier, we reverse the transformation for human readable values. Then we compare the predictions with true values. This step highlights the model's ability to approximate real-world book prices. So moving on to the evaluation and performance metrics. AutoGlow makes it simple. This provides a detailed breakdown of model's accuracy and error rates. So embeddings are basically vector representation of input data, which are useful for downstream tasks or visualizations. These embeddings encapsulate the model's understanding of the input feature. So that's all about the video.